Hey! What's going on, YouTube? So this video is going to be a quick walk around of one of the Civic wagons that I own. It's a 1991 Honda Civic real-time four-wheel drive wagon. It's not a wago. It's not a wago van. It's a wagon. Now that that's out of the way, here she is. So I got this bull bar from a guy off of a Facebook group, and I got a pretty decent deal on it. So it's got a bull bar on it, the Pia fogs, looking clean. It's got a brown fender on it because the fender that came on this car was bashed in quite a bit, and yeah, so I got that. I still have to paint it and then get it all aligned with the rest of the body and whatnot, but it looks a lot better than it did when I first got the car, that's for sure. Nothing really too much to say about it. It is pretty much just stock. It does have a sunroof. These weren't a factory option, but it came off the lot and then had this installed within a week. I'll try to find the document to prove that, but I thought that was pretty cool. You can tell that this door has a pinstripe and the rest of the car doesn't have a pinstripe. That is because this door was damaged, and I'll show that in a little bit when I get back to the house, because I still have the old door and it had a fat dent like right here, so I'll show you guys that. But yeah, it's pretty clean. Little body, and it's a clean title. The interior is not too bad. It does need a nice thorough cleaning because it has just been sitting. It's got the automatic seat belts and these Corbus you saw in there. Got the eBay visors, window visors, rain guards, whatever you want to call it. The rug, the back rug here was taken out because I was going to build a wooden, like a wooden floor back here that collapsed down and made it flat. I still plan on doing that, but I need to find better wood and a better approach to doing it, because the way that I had planned it out, it would have been a total pain in the butt. So, and then I got the rear speaker pods from, I think it was like a Rodeo or something, or a Passport, probably a Passport. And instead of mounting them on the roof like I do on my other wagon, I decided to just kind of mount them on the sides right there. So if you're like looking for a rear speaker setup, you can consider that if you don't mind the way this looks. Let's pop that trunk right quick. So you can see that's not the best way to mount it, because it does put a lot of pressure on the clips right here. And so I think what I'm going to do is take these off and then just kind of put like a screw, like a self-tapping screw into the metal or something behind this piece right here, just to make it look a little more flush and clean. Yeah, nothing really too serious about this car. It is just a stock Civic. It does have a little lift kit on it from Honda Rescue Garage. It's got a front and rear eBay camber kit. Figure that's not too janky. But we'll see. I'll probably swap those out for something more quality, but I don't know. It's fine for now. Get it wet. I do have a replacement. This was a Honda Primo banner, window banner, but the sun went and cooked it, so I just need to hit that with some alcohol, some rubbing alcohol or something, and scrape that off, and then probably do a video on how to do that. But yeah, it's pretty much it. There's nothing really too much going on here with this car. It's all stock in there. I guess I can show you that. I think it's all OEM stuff. Not much to see there. It's the D16A6. It had AC hooked up to it, but it either needs a recharge or a different setup. This motor's compression is pretty bad. You can tell it's just kind of struggling to stay on. It does need a new motor, or I need to rebuild this one. I'm not like 100% sure, or like 100% set on doing anything in particular quite yet, but it's gonna get taken care of. That's for sure. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. Just a stock Honda Civic Wagon with a 2-inch lift kit and like street profile tire. But yeah, there she is. Gonna be doing another video here on the seat brackets coming up, and probably going to be doing some work on the motorcycle and the bicycles. So that's going to do it. Peace out. Have a nice day.